My video guide is about removing the new ransomware that is currently attacking many Windows devices. The ransomware is called Sckmedady. This video is the demonstration of what exactly the ransomware does with the files after it actually damages them. So before the ransomware actually attacks the system, people can open their data without any problems. But due to certain vulnerabilities, the ransomware may some way or another be injected into the computer. Definitely the fact that this ransomware has affected the files means that your current security software can be blamed for that, because it actually permitted this ransomware to be injected into the system. So after the ransomware has affected the files, people can no longer access them. Pretty soon they realize that something bad has happened, and this Sckmedady extension has been added in addition to the main file extension. And there is some other data, for instance some unique identifier added and some email address. But Sckmedady is that extension that is added by this particular ransomware, and this is why it is called like that. People can no longer access their files because of this extension added. Another problem is that simply removing this extension and other data doesn't really fix the issue. The file still cannot be opened. So you try to open it and you cannot open the document. First thing I would recommend you to do is to research the task manager of your computer. Look for suspicious processes with long random names. And if you detect these processes with long random names, it's a good idea that you end their task to stop the further file encryption if you can do that. Another thing I strongly advise you not to do is not to pay the ransom. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom, of course, does not guarantee that the files would be recovered. You may simply lose your money for nothing. I would recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware, and I suggest that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. To download it, you need to use Internet Explorer browser, most likely, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be encrypted. So go to the website combocleaner.com to download Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button to download the application and install it. After it gets completely installed, you need to probably implement some tricks to actually start Combo Cleaner. You might need to access the C drive again, go to Program Files, choose Combo Cleaner folder, and start Combo Cleaner directly through this location, because as I said, some of the desktop icons of Combo Cleaner may also be encrypted, as well as the icons of some other programs. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will update its antivirus database first of all, and then you will see that the scanning is taking place. During the scanning, program will help you to identify all other possible threats and issues. For instance, problems with browser being hijacked. Combo Cleaner detects adware very well, but most importantly, it will help you to identify all sorts of ransomware threats and even to protect your data. You may experiment with the settings of Combo Cleaner. So you may click on Anti-Ransomware tab, and you will see that Combo Cleaner Premium version offers this anti-ransomware protection feature, where you may add a special folder to protect your data from being encrypted. But as I said, this feature is only the part of the premium license of Combo Cleaner. So after the scanning is completed, you will see the summary of threads. You may remove each thread one at a time manually by going to this location, or consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threads automatically.